Yesterday, in part 8, we visited Trimbakeshwar, where the Godavari begins and Lord Shiva appears as the Tridev. Today, in part 9, we reach Vaidyanath in Jharkhand, where Lord Shiva heals with grace, offering health, strength, and wisdom to all who seek him. A long time ago, there was a strong king named Ravan who loved Lord Shiva very much. He wanted Lord Shiva to come and live in his kingdom, Lanka, to protect it. To please Lord Shiva, Ravan performed severe penance, tapasya. He even offered his 10 heads one by one as a sacrifice to Lord Shiva. Impressed by Ravan's extreme devotion, Lord Shiva appeared and blessed him. Ravan asked for the Atmaling, the most sacred symbol of Lord Shiva, so he could carry it back to Lanka. Lord Shiva agreed but gave one condition: if you place this lingam on the ground before reaching Lanka, it will stay there forever, and you will not be able to move it again. Ravan began his journey happily, carrying the Atmaling. But the Devas became worried. If Ravan took the Atmaling to Lanka, he would become unstoppable. So, Lord Vishnu, along with Lord Ganesha, created a plan. As Ravan was crossing the land near present-day Deoghar, Jharkhand, Lord Vishnu made him feel tired and the urge to take a break. At that moment, Lord Ganesha appeared disguised as a small boy. Ravan gave him the Atmaling to hold for a few minutes. But Lord Ganesha, following the divine plan, placed the lingam on the ground. When Ravan returned, he tried with all his might to lift it, but the lingam would not move. In frustration and anger, Ravan pressed the lingam deep into the earth and prayed to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva then appeared and blessed the place. Thus, the Atmaling stayed there forever and became known as the Vaidyanath Jyotirling, meaning the Lord who acts as a doctor or healer. It is believed that Lord Shiva heals all diseases and sorrows of his devotees at this sacred spot, and is worshipped as the divine healer, curing the sorrows and illnesses of his devotees. Tomorrow, in part 10, our journey takes us to Nageshwar, where Lord Shiva stands as the fearless protector against evil and darkness.